Riley, roll over. Come here. Sit. Lay down. You're really good with lay down and sit. Okay, we're going to try it again. Roll over. Come here.
Roll over means go lay on the nearest green rug.
Yeah. Come here. Sit. That was lay down. Come here. Come. Sit. Lay down. Ready? Ready? Roll over.
Right.
Apparently, the pug has invented the new rollover trick. It's run to the kitchen rug. So, that's his rollover.
He's a piece of shit.
I'm making a YouTube video, Paul.
Oh, sorry. He's still a piece of shit.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Ah!
Riley, come here. Don't listen to him. Here, give him a treat now.
Riley, come here.
Yeah, he did.
He came clear.
Riley, come here. Sit.
Then he comes here. He came clear.
Riley, sit.
Riley, listen to your mother. Riley!
You're scaring him.
Listen to your mother, Riley.
I'm still recording.
Where's he going?
Right there.
Riley, you listen to your mother. We didn't come from the island Ireland for you to act this way.
Your dad is a crackhead. Lay down.
We don't do the American thing. The time out. We do knockout, motherfucker.
So that's my pug.
That's my pug.